Hello, my name is Upandas. I'm a student of Master School in the software development batch. Currently, I'm in revision unit. So today, in my assignment, which is DSA assignment, where I need to explain two questions. So the first question I want to pick is question number 1, which is factorial of. Here, I need to find the factorial of a given number. So, for example, here given is 5, and I need to find the factorial. So factorial of 5 is 120, as we know, because what is factorial? Factorial is the multiplication of all the numbers from that number in decreasing order. So if my input is 5, I need to find 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and the value I need to store, and that is the factorial of a given number. So let's write the code. So let's take a function. First, this is the string input. I need to convert into number. Let's n equal to number, and then n. So let's write the function first. Function, let's write as a factorial, and then first it will call with the function will be called with factorial of n, that value, that n. Okay. And then I'll write like the base case first. What is the base case? Like whenever the code reaches that condition, and it will execute the recursion. So that is the base case. So in my case, in factorial, what is the base case? Like whenever my n will be 1 or 0, and that type it will return 1. So if my n equal to 1 or my n equal to 0, that base case I need to return 1. Or else what I need to do in else case, I need to call the function. So which function? Factorial function. With which value? N minus 1. Every time it will reduce by 1, and I need to multiply it, the number, because I need to give the find the recursion. Okay, so let's print it. Here only I will use the console log. If I run the code, getting undefined. Okay, I'm not returning here anything. Done. I need to return the function. Okay, I'm getting 120. That is exactly the answer. So let's run the code. Okay, I submitted and all the test cases have been passed. So this is the first question. So let's go to the question number 3 and discuss. So in that question, I need to print from Z to A. There is no input given. I just need to print from Z, like capital Z to capital A. So for that case, what I can do, I can use recursion also. I'll use ASCII value for the program. So let's take the function as, I can give the name as print Z, and then I'll give the ASCII value, this ASCII code or ASCII code. Now I'll call it with print with code. The code is like I need to print from Z to A. So the ASCII value of capital Z is 90. So from 90, I'll start calling. So from 90, I'll start calling. Okay. And then I'll write the logic. I'll write the base case first. What is the base case? Whenever it hits 65, then 65 is A. So whenever it goes below 65, I need to stop the recursion. So let's write. So if my code is below 65, what I need to do, I need to just return. So, and else I need to call the function again. So in that case, what I'll do, or I can write, no need to write else, I can write, I need to take one variable because I want to print in a single line. So let's take result equal to, for now I'm taking one array. So what result dot push, what I'll push, I'll push the ASCII value of the code. So there is a function called from char code. From char code. So what it does, it convert our number into character. So, and I give the code number. From first it will print 90, and then 89 like that. So it is a part of string constructor. So I'll write this. I need to write the string. Okay, everything is ready. So now, so every time it will print, and what I'll return, I need to again all the print this thing with a one number minus, that is code minus 1. Okay, so let's run. Okay, I'm not printing anything, so let's print. So So no reason. Okay, I'm getting the getting from Z to A, but I'm getting in decrease like in an array. So I need to join it using join, and now I'll get in string. Yes, I'm getting. If I run the code, yeah, it's accepting all the test cases. So this is my answer for this 2 question. Thank you.